And the parrots.
This one's best napkin on that. That is so cute.
Quack, quack.
There's been like a big resurgence recently, like the OC placement fairs for the tail setting placement for people like have come to realize this is the competition.